Is a cute guy staring at you? Here's how to decode his gaze. First, he might just admire your style. If he's focused on your outfit, he finds you intriguing. If he looks confused, you likely remind him of someone else. If he keeps trying to catch your eye, he wants to talk but needs an opening. Once chatting, if he holds eye contact for most of the conversation, he's actively listening and definitely interested. Now, if he's looking away quickly or acting fidgety, he might be shy and nervous and hoping you'll lead the way. If he's smiling while holding your gaze, there's a chance he's deeply attracted and preparing to approach. Just be sure to watch out for the dominant stare. If he looks stern or angry, it's a power play, not a crush. Lastly, he might just be zoning out. If he snaps out of it when you look back, there's a good chance he was just lost in thought.